Hi, today I'll explain other tools in Animate CC. Okay, so yesterday before class, I explained you rectangle tool and rectangle primitive tool. Okay, yeah, today we're checking all these other tools, oval tool and oval primitive tool. Okay, so this is also the same like your rectangle tool, but here we can create ovals and circles. Okay, yes, first we start just a minute. Oval yeah, this is oval shape. Okay, so within this you can fill the colors. Suppose you draw ovals, okay, horizontally and vertically, and press shift, you will get perfect circles. Okay, with the shift you will get perfect circles. Okay, next we have options, the tool options in this category. Here we have the stroke size is 44. You can decrease or increase whatever the size it is, and the style, suppose you can change the style of this. It might be suppose check this. See this style, rough edges. Okay, and this is sometimes the dotted line. Okay, or otherwise you can get from the brush library, and you can add all the brushes. So these are you can choose which one is better for us. Yeah, these are okay. So basically after adding that, from the properties panel, you can check, you can change all these. Okay, and here the thickness, the width, you can change. See, so sometimes we use depends on our requirement, sometimes we choose all these things. Okay, but default I'm giving the plain only. We don't want all these things. So, suppose there is a straight line. Where is that? Yes. Okay, so right, the same way you can keep side. Inside we have another tool, the oval primitive tool. So this is also the same. Suppose you draw horizontally oval shapes, you draw vertically oval shapes, or by pressing shift you will get proper circles. Okay, so but here if you check this, there are some options from the properties panel. Here start angle, suppose draw this and draw this, and you can check the start angle. See this, look like a pie, one pie. Okay, sometimes we want these shapes. Okay, suppose this is end angle, check the angle of this. and here inner radius. Suppose if you see this, there is a hollowness it is creating. So we want suppose one tires kind of wheels, so we can create easily. Okay, suppose here we can close the path also. See, we close the path. So you can experiment actually how you want. Okay, this is nice. Okay, and on this. Okay, the same way here, the brush and the line, stroke and style and width, so other options are available for this this oval primitive tool. Okay, the shortcut is O. Yes. Next here, the other tool is polygon tool. So this is also one of the tool from Animate CC. Okay, so you can draw your polygon shapes here. Okay, this is a polygon shape. Okay, here the settings. There, if you check there, the same the edges something like a sharp edges are rounded or otherwise bevel. Okay, so but default to make it meter. Okay, and then the same other values also there, stroke, style and brush, width. Okay, okay, this is simple polygon. And here we have pencil tool. With pencil tool you can draw shapes. Suppose here I'll reduce this size. Suppose here I gave 5 number. Yes, you draw these shapes. Okay, with pencil. There we have some options here, pencil option. So straighten, by giving the straighten, see the lines are look like cut lines. Okay, so straight way is giving lines, and this is a smooth. If you give with this, you will get the smoothness of that. Okay, are getting smooth lines. Here it is ink, means with the free hand how you write, the same way it is creating. Okay, and same other options also available. Style you can change and give the width. Okay, and cap and join. Okay, so these are options available. Okay, sometimes we use that pencil tool. Right, then here paint brush tool. Here we have paint brush tools. With this brush tool, what we do, you draw, suppose I'll increase this size 25. So you can draw strokes, lines. Suppose see the paint brush tool. Okay, you can change the color also. You can change the color, and from this can choose this the widthness. Suppose if you want to create some curvy shapes, different shapes, you can create them. Okay, okay, at the same way here we have brush library. From this brush library, so we get all these artistic standard, artistic ink, charcoal. Choose this and you can use this. Okay, and the same way you can try with another brushes also. Suppose here I'll take a dashed, something like, we add this. See, this brush can change the color, then you will understand. See, the brush is, it is nice, beautiful, with some kind of texture. It is giving that. Increase the size, so more you will understand. See, this is okay. Then here we have smoothing. 100% want smoothness, stroke smoothness, or otherwise a bit roughness you want, you can choose. Okay, then the other brush, brush tool, it is normal brush tool and this is paint brush tool. Okay, so here I use brush tool. Okay, check the difference between these two brushes. Suppose here stroke color is black and the fill color is red. Suppose I'm using this brush tool, it is not using stroke. Okay, because this is brush tool, so with fill color only it is taking. But with this tool, so with this tool, the paint brush tool, you are drawing only with the outlines. Outlines means stroke. Okay, not, it is not using color, but you can fill the color by pressing K, paint bucket to inside that. Understand? That is the main difference. So between this paint brush tool and brush tool. Okay, so shortcut paint brush tool, we use Y, and here it is the brush tool. Okay, so brush tool B and this is a Y. So sometimes we use, suppose if you want to add any textures, any suppose any different quality lines, if you want to use, then use this paint brush tool. Suppose here if I click on that, the options are here. Okay, the options are available, options are here. Okay, so but if you click on this and the brush tool, the options are changing here. If you see here, see, this is a brush shape, and suppose add custom brush shape. So suppose you can add the custom brushness. Angle, you can choose the angle how you want. You can give the angleness also. Okay, you take that, but here don't want to give any angle. And suppose this is a rough brush, the stroke is round and this is square. Okay, right, and here it is the minus delete custom brush tool shape. Okay, and this is edit custom brush tool, so you can edit by giving the values here. Okay, and here it is a size, the brush size you are increasing and decreasing, zoom size with the size, suppose. Okay, so you can delete this, and the smoothing value also you can change. Okay, yes, suppose here you can give 25. Yes, and here if you observe here, our tools panel, the brush mode, and here brush size. Okay, this is the brush size, available brush sizes. You can give from properties, and you can change brush size from here also. Okay, see, these are the brush shapes. Round brush is there. Okay, so tilting brush is there, and these are the brush sizes. Okay, and here the brush modes, are, suppose here I'll explain. The modes are, suppose this is my one box. Okay, so click on the brush, and suppose this is in paint normal. Okay, and suppose here paint fills. Okay, so click on this, and with this brush tool, suppose I change the color with something blue, and click on this brush. Okay, and choose a paint fills. See, you are filling colors. Okay, paint fills. The next, what we do, the another option is paint behind. Suppose I'll take here one box again. Okay, here I choose another a color, and I choose this brush. Okay, and change the option into paint behind. Okay, see this, from inside to outside I'm giving stroke, but it is taking behind on that to that. Okay, that is that option. And here one more thing, you draw one shape here. Okay, and choose this brush, and check the option paint selection. So that means what, suppose you select some area here. This is my area, I'm selecting, and choose this brush. Okay, and come here and paint selection, so that, so what I'll do, I'll change my color, suppose here. Okay, paint selection. So I paint only that selection area only. See, where the selection is there only it is taking color. So other areas, even if you are filling, but it is not taking. Okay, so that is the option. And here you draw one more box here. Okay, and choose this brush, and come here and paint inside. Okay, so inside you can choose, you can fill colors. See there, it is filling inside only. Okay, not outside. So these are different options. When you click on this, a brush, there are options: paint normal, paint fills, paint behind, paint selection, and paint inside. So in default paint normally. Okay, that is the brush, normal brush tool. Here it is paint brush tool. So if you click on that, the options are different. Okay, so depends on your requirement, and your needs. You have to change these brushes. Okay, so here what is this? The subject is here. Suppose oval tool, so click on here on white, OVAL, oval, comma, oval primitive tool, oval primitive tool, and then polygon, and this is pencil, NCIL, pencil, and this is paint brush tool, paint brush, and this is a brush tool, brush tool. Okay, so these are the today's a class. So oval tool and oval primitive tool. Yes, now we can change here. So this is my lengthy this thing. So here I want to change suppose black, divide this into, so oval primitive tool, polygon, pencil, paint, and paint brush and brush tool. So this is press Q, so you can decrease the size and you can keep this. Okay, so Control C. Okay, now we can save as. Here give that name, primitive, not saved whole. Yeah, I'll take Control C, save as oval primitive tool. Next what is that? Pencil tool, pencil, polygon, paint brush tool, and brush tool. Okay, so today's lesson is 13th, oval. So oval primitive tool, pencil, polygon, paintbrush and brush tool. Yeah, in order it is polystar. Okay, and suppose in polystar we have other option also. So when you click on that, inside there is a star. Okay, so with this you can create stars also. So whatever the color you choose, give the stars. These are the stars. Okay. So when you click on the polygon, so in options are there. You can give the number of sides. So you can increase the sides. So suppose 9 I'm giving. Okay, and this thickness is suppose I'm giving 1 only. Okay, and here you draw the same, the star you will get. Okay, so these are these are today's tools, Control S, and you also have to practice this. If you have any doubt, okay, then you can ask me. Thank you.